Namaskar. The next item I will be performing for you all today is called Namokar Mantra. This is a fundamental Jain prayer, and its meaning is as follows. Om Namo Arihantanam. We bow to the Arihantas, who are souls who have not only liberated themselves from the cycle of birth and death, but have first taught others, taught Jains how to follow the same path. Next, Namo Sri Siddhanam. We bow to the Siddhas, who are the perfect souls who, through the destruction of all their karmic bonds, have liberated themselves from the cycle of birth and death. Namo Airyanam. We bow to the Acharyas, who are the religious leaders in Jainism. Next, we bow down to the Upadhyas, who are the teachers in Jainism. Finally, we bow down to the Siddhas and the Sahus, who are the Jain monks and nuns. This fivefold salutation destroys all sins. Of all Jain mantras, this one is the first and foremost.
Namo Ariyantanam. Om Namo Sri Siddhanam. Om Namo Airyanam. Namo Vajrayanam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Om Namo Ariyantanam. Om Namo Ariyantanam. Om Namo Ariyantanam. Om Namo Sri Siddhanam. Om Namo Airyanam. Om Namo Vajrayanam. Tanata chanu tatana tanata tam tatta chan. Tanata chanu tatana tanata chan. Tatta chan. Om Namo Vajrayanam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Om Namo Ariyantanam. Om Namo Sri Siddhanam. Om Namo Airyanam. Om Namo Vajrayanam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Namo Love Savasahunam. Eso Panchanamokaro Savapapa Panashano ఏసో పంచనమోకారో సర్వపాప పనాశనో మంగళానాంచ సవేశ పరమం హవై మంగళం మంగళానాంచ సవేసిం పరమం హవై మంగళం పరమం హవై మంగళం పరమం హవై